Hello everyone, this is DigiSmart. Welcome to my YouTube. So today we are going to be learning how we can download amazing fonts from dafont.com site. dafont.com site. So let's get started. So you go to your browser and type dafont.com and then you click enter. So it will bring you to this page, and then you can now decide on which of the fonts you want to download. So you can either pick the one that is recently added, or you can use the search box to find the one you want, or you can also check the header here or this place. You have fancy, foreign look, techno, gothic, basic, script, dingbats, and all of that. So you can pick on any one you want. Okay, so and if you want to use the search, you can type what you want inside. Just type the font name, type it on the search engine. Let's go to the search engine. So I'll click on the font name, and let's say I'm looking for Bibas. Then I'll click search. Okay. Let's see what it will bring. Okay. You can see Bibas there now. So all I need to do now is to click download. So I'll click on download. Once I click on download, it's going to download it. Now, lest I forget, you will need to have an app called Zarchiver. Zarchiver, Zarchiver. Zarchiver, because that's the app that will help you to open that file. Most files are they are in zip format. Okay, so now that I have done that, now when I click on download, it will take you here and you click on download. So I'll click on it. Now you could see that some 3 buttons showed and then later disappeared. So those are the apps that can help with opening that file. So the 2 gray ones you saw, they are Zarchiver. So now they have brought the font here. So you now click on this unzip to extract the font. Okay, you can click on view to see it. Okay, so we have Bebas regular OTF, Bebas regular TTF. Now that I am sure that the font has been downloaded, then I will go back to I will now go to my Pixellab. So see the way I'm going to install it on my Pixellab. So I'll click on Pixellab. Click on Pixellab. Okay. Then now let me type something. Okay, I will type something there, anything whatsoever. Let me say I type Bibas. Okay, Bibas. Okay, now bring it here. Let me make it big so that I can see. So the next thing I will now do is to go to my font. that double A, yeah, that this AB stuff, the font, you click on it. Okay, then you click on my fonts. Now there is this file here. Let me show you. This one here. Sorry, this one. So you click on it. So when you click on it, you now look for the file that you want to install. So I want to install, I will go to download, because that's where my file is. This is download. Then I will look for Bebas. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Where are you? Okay, this Bebas. So I have to type there. Then I'll click on add directory. You see? It has actually added them. This two here. Bebas regular. So once I have done that, the next thing I want to do is to, okay, let me see whether it's going to work. Let me apply it. You see that it has changed the shape of that, it has changed the outlook of that particular check here. It has changed the outlook. Let me turn it to something else. Let me turn it to vertical. Now Bebas. You see, it has changed it. So let me go and check it. Then you click OK. Let me go and check it. See, this is Bebas font. This is how it's going to look. So this is how you can actually download custom font from dafont.com into your Pixellab app. I hope that is very clear. If this is very helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube button so that you can have loads of useful tips like this in the community.